Hi friends, this video shows how to fix black screen issue. Go to settings, select settings icon from top right corner, then select display and sound, go down. Here you can see match content dynamic range. So right now I have enabled this option. When we enable this option, TV will automatically switch between HDR and SDR. That is the reason you are seeing black screen during format switch. We can disable this option. Just press select button on the remote, disable it. After that, TV will not automatically switch between HDR and SDR. This way we can fix that issue. Just disable this match content dynamic range. You can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.